Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Thanks for being here today. Today I am doing the last piece number 3 in my capsule collection. That means I'm using the exact same colors, but just using a different technique. My first technique, I did a split cup ring pour. My second technique, I did a straight pour. And today I am going to be doing a wandering straight pour. So I'm very excited about this. I've got the colors all laid out. I'll explain what I did with the colors and I'll talk about the canvas size. So I'll get you down and we'll get started. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I've got is an 18 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. It's taped and push pinned on the back. As you can see, I've painted my sides and edges. I've painted them black because that's one of the colors that I'm using. And when I'm using black as a base, black can sometimes be transparent and it will, not necessarily transparent, but what'll happen is you'll see the edges of the canvas kind of poke back through, and I don't like to see that, so I always like to paint my canvases. So what I do is before I even start mixing my paints, I figure out what my base color is going to be. I go ahead and paint my edges. While that's drying, then I can mix up my paints. So speaking of paints, let's talk about the colors in case you've forgotten. Colors I'm using is Amsterdam in the Prussian blue, Amsterdam in the sky blue light, oxide black, caput mortem violet, azo orange, and azo yellow medium. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex gloss medium and Floetrol. No water because I wanted to keep my paints a little thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer a cup. You're going to need for this size canvas, it's going to take you about 15 ounces of paint. So what I'm going to do is I hope to have a little bit of negative space, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to wander in kind of a snake form instead of straight. And so what I want to do is I'll probably start here and just kind of zigzag back and forth. Then I'll tilt it out, and so I'll have some negative space with the colors. That's the goal. We shall see how this plays out. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. So the first color ends the last color out. We have to remember that. And so what I want to be the first color to hit the black is my Prussian blue. So instead of layering from the dark down to the yellow, I'm going to go in the opposite direction. I'm going to do fairly small layers. I'm not going to do huge layers. So let's put yellow. Orange. Caput mortem. Just a touch of black. Sky blue. And the Prussian. Now I don't want to get green, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way back. The sky blue. Touch of black. Mortem. Orange. Yellow. Now I'm going to start doing a little bit thicker layers. Except for the black. Jump over here to the caput mortem. Yellow. Little black. Alrighty. All right, let's flood the canvas. Okay, so let's give this a torch. Lots of air bubbles. Okay, now I am going to do a little differently with this wandering straight pour. I'm going to pour like a straight pour, but I'm going to pour quickly. I'm not going to go slow. I'm going to kind of just move very fast. See what kind of results I get out of that. Okay, ready? Let's go. So what I did is got a lot of paint on the canvas, but then also went through it. Now it's almost kind of like a wrecked straight pour because I poured like that, and these outer lines will get tilted off. But we've got some great coloring in here. The Prussian blue came out first, which is fine, so we can move that off as well. So let's give this a torch. Getting a lot of cells popping up through here. It's really cool. Okay, so what I most we want to move off is going to be this Prussian blue that's down here at the end, and then we'll start guiding things around. So let's start off pushing this down a little bit.
Next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with the
what I'm gonna do is take some of this orange off down here. Really cool. I love the wrecked portion of this. The cells are gorgeous. They're just popping up through here like crazy. Loving this over here. I love this corner. I got a little bit of mixing with the yellow and almost kind of making some green. So it's not terrible, but I think I do want to just bring it down just a little bit. So let's turn this so you guys can see. Let's see if we move this in. Use the weight of the paint just to push that down just a little bit. There it goes. Get some of the blue over there. Come back up. This is very abstract. It's very cool. I'm loving the colors, how they just create this beautiful movement, and it's going in opposite directions. It's really working out. It's going vertical, horizontal, just really great. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch up my sides and edges, get my corners and torch, and then I will bring you guys in. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys down. All right, here we go. Check out the lines and stuff that's going through this. I love how abstract this is. It kind of just goes all different directions. I'm loving the Caput Mortem Violet, how it just streams through this. Loving the black negative areas, just perfect. Let me bring you in here. Really a stunning piece, just beautiful. All right, here we go. This dried fantastic. I'm loving the lines that I got through this and the different directions. Gives me a, like a, I was talking to Mina and she's like, it gives me like a tribal feel, and I feel the same way. Those lines just are gorgeous. Let me bring you in here up at top. Really came out great, got beautiful cells in it too, just fantastic. Almost looks like it could be part of a tattoo or something, so. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. Check this sucker out. It dried so beautiful. Loving it. I am gonna put some gloss varnish on it, but check out the shape of all the colors and the lines. I really like doing a wandering straight pour like this. This is kind of cool because it really gives you some unique shapes, which I really liked. It dried great. I'm very, very happy with this. So I will definitely be doing some of these in the near future. All right, everyone, so that's gonna take care of today's video. We got a lot of collaborations coming up. We still have one more for fluid stock, another one coming up for Pride Month. That's on top of all my regular videos that I'll be posting. So thanks everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also, let me know what you think of the piece in the comments below. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.